Welcome to our YouTube channel Pradhan IT Trainer. Today in this video we are going to discuss a new topic. And this time lockdown is going on. During this time teachers and students are at home and they are unable to do their task properly. Through this software, teacher can give the task to their student and student can also submit the task after completing. This software name is Google Classroom. So in today's session we are going to talk about the Google Classroom. In that we'll learn how it works and how can we use so that we can take its benefit. So here is S. Pradhan as a IT trainer and you are watching my YouTube channel Pradhan IT Trainer. Let's start our session. First start the browser in your laptop or a desktop. Any browser you can use. That can be either Google Chrome, Internet Explorer or a Mozilla Firefox. So here I am using a Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome address bar URL link you have to type www.googleclassroom.com. Here like this interface you will get. You have to type here email address. For example, I am typing here spradhan.iist@gmail.com. As you are looking on the screen, then click on next. Then you have to type here password. After login like this interface, you will get this interface that you are looking at a Google Classroom dashboard. From here, you have to operate all the things. In the same way, if you want to install in mobile, then you have to open your Play Store and you have to type Google Classroom. Click on install. Wait for a minute so that it will download. Click on the open option to get it start. Select the email address. OK. Then you will get the same feature as you got on the laptop. Right side of the screen you will get the plus icon. When you will click on the plus icon, you will get the two options. One option is join class, another option is create class. If you are a student, then you have to click on join class. But if you are a teacher, you have to click on create class. In this tutorial, we will discuss both the option. Here we will click on create class so that we can share our details to the joining class. When we will click on create class, you will get the using classroom at a school with students. So here you will get the details of that. We will click on the checkbox. I have read and understand the above notice and I am not using the classroom at a school with student. Click on continue. After clicking continue, a dialog box will appear. Here you will get the heading create class. The option you will get the class name. So here we will type the class name, suppose standard 10. Below you have to write on the section, suppose A, and the subject computer, and below you have to write the room number. Suppose the room number 10 and click on create. After clicking the create, we will get a like this interface you can see as you are looking on the screen. So what you have to do, you can check here standard 10 is here, section is here and the class code is written here. After some time it will show the classroom interface. At the top you can see stream. Whatever you have to stream you can do it here. Beside you can see classwork. Here you can give classwork. The next we are having a people options. You can see how many students are there in the classroom. All the students you can see here. Here you can see marks. if you have conducted any test and if you have given any marks, then you can check here. First we will click on stream. In these sections you can see class name, section and class code. When you will click on class code, then you can see class detail. This code you have to share with the students. From here you can copy the class code and share it with WhatsApp or through text, depend the way you are communicating with the student. Through this code they can join your class. Now suppose I have shared this code with the student. I have login here with different ID. Now what I have to do, I have to click on this plus icon and I have to click on join class, and I have to type here class code which was given by the teacher. Then click on joining. Like this way student also have joined the class. Now in this stream window, teacher can communicate with the student. In the classwork window we can assign classwork to the student, and the next window, that is the people, here we can see the number of students which have joined here. Here you can see that student ID which we have joined before with a different ID. Here you can add 1, 2, 3 n number of students which you want to join here. Whatever the things which you will share from the stream window, it will reach to all the students which you have joined in this window. Like here you can see the option share with your class. So I will click here share with your class, and here you can type anything, like suppose I am writing here hello, good morning. So it's depend upon the topic which you want to share with the student. Now here if you want to share this topic to all the students, then you can click here all student. But if you want to share with a particular student, that also you can do the selection by selecting some group of student in these options. Here you can see that student ID is present here which we have joined before. Now what we want to do, we want to share this topic to that particular student. So I will click on the checkbox to that particular students only. It will reach to that particular student only, not the other students. Below here you can see add option is there. In these add options you can attach many files. Like for examples, you can see here the options are like Google Drive. In the Google Drive you can share your file from the Google Drive also, which we have loaded in the Google Drive. Then in the link option you can set your link also here, and in the file options you can attach any file which is present in your system. Then YouTube, in the YouTube you can share your link also here. Now suppose I want to share any file, so I will click on file options and it will go to my system. So here I will click on open and will select the any file. I am selecting the file here, and after that I am clicking on open. You can see the file name here. Then after that I can add the multiple file also, and I will click on upload. So you can see the file here. See, the file is present here. After that I can also attach through the YouTube also, and in the YouTube I will share my YouTube link here. So I am just copying that YouTube links, or I am just typing the text here of the YouTube link. Now you can see the file and the YouTube link are attached here. After that what I have to do, I have to set the schedule also, so that in a particular time the students can see the file and the link. But if you want to do for future use, then you can save it as a draft so that in the future you can send. But if you want to send this share immediately, then you have to click on post. Once I will click on the post, whatever the file I have shared, it will reach to the student who have joined here. Now to get the confirmations, if the students are giving the message like I got the message or I got it sir, then immediately we will get the message here, got it sir. In this way we can discuss with the student, we can share our files, we can communicate with the students, we can give the task, assignment or the test to the student, and they can submit back to us also. So what we have to do, we have to click on the classwork window, then we will click on create options. When you will click on create option, you will find many options here like assignment. We can give the assignment here. After that we can operate any quiz assignment also. Below here you can see question options. Here in the question options we can set the question paper also. Then below you will find out material. We can send any materials also so that they can read. Then we can see here the reuse post. In the reuse post options, we can send the assignment again which we have posted before, so we can use these options. And the below the topic, any topic also we can paste it here. So let's do our the options. Like here I am using question paper. Like this interface I will get here. So what I will do, in the question papers options I will click here and I will write here the question like भारत का प्रधानमंत्री कौन है. So this one is our question. Now below we can put here short answer also, so that student can answer in a short way. But if you want to give a multiple options, you can give the multiple choice here. So in the first options, option 1, here I will give the answer here. Like for example I am giving here Rahul Gandhi, it is the first options. Another options I am giving here Sonia Gandhi. Then third options I am giving Narendra Modi. And in the fourth option Manmohan Singh. Here below, if you want to add any file, images or any link to these questions, you can add here also. So here you have got 4 options, but right now I don't want to add any options here. So after that, now what the student have to do, they have to use all these 4 options to answer for that question. Now after doing this, at the right side you can see, you can put here the marks also. At the points place you can give the marks like 10, 100, depend upon the questions which you want to give. Now along with this you can give the due date also and time. Like if you want to complete the task, that it should be complete before 28 or 29 June, you can give the date and time also, so that they can answer before time also. And after that you can set the topic also. It's depend upon you, you can set no topic also. So right now I am not giving any topic, so I am just selecting no topic. So here we will click on the ask option. Now here we having a many options like ask. If you want to ask the questions immediately, we can click on the option ask. And suppose you want to schedule this one, means on particular date and time it will forward to the student, we can schedule also. And suppose you want to save it and you want to use this one for the future, then you can click on the save draft. And suppose if you don't want this one right now, then you can discard the draft also. Once we will click on the ask option, it will go to the student user. So here we can check in the classwork, we have got the question that भारत का प्रधानमंत्री कौन है. So we can choose the options like Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, and the correct option is Narendra Modi. So we will click on turn in. So once you will click on turn in, we will get the marks here, the 1. So like this student can answer the question. Now once the student has submitted the question, in the teacher's grade box, here teacher can see the marks of the student. He or she can see here that one student has answered about this question. So you can check here the marks also. So we can put here 10 upon 10. After that click on return to give the marks to the student, and along with this we can give the comments also good. So in this way it will reach to student also. Student can also see here the comments good. So like this we can make a question paper and we can schedule also, and we can send it to the student, and after reaching the question to the student, student can reply and can answer very nicely. Now here student can also reply like thank you sir. So in this way we can do our online exam in this lockdown. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel and have a nice day.